Something brought you here at this exact moment. Not by accident. Not by chance. Your heart needed to hear this. If you believe in Allah, then this message is for you right now. There are days when you smile, but your heart feels tired. You pray, yet the answers feel delayed. You trust Allah, yet life keeps testing you again and again. You wake up with hope, then sleep with questions. And you quietly ask yourself, why is this happening to me? You look around and see others moving ahead. Their lives seem lighter. Their paths seem clearer. Meanwhile, you carry silent struggles that no one sees. You hold your pain behind strong words and calm faces. Only Allah knows how heavy your heart truly feels. Believing in Allah does not mean life becomes easy. It means you are never alone in difficulty. It means every tear you hide is seen. Every dua you whisper is heard. Every moment of patience is counted, even when no one else notices. Sometimes Allah slows you down because rushing would break you. Sometimes He removes things because they were blocking something better. Sometimes the delay is not punishment. It is protection. You may not understand it now, but one day you will look back and say, Allah knew what I did not. Think about the nights when you felt lost, yet you still turned to Allah. Think about the moments you wanted to give up, yet you still prayed. That strength did not come from you alone. That was Allah holding your heart steady when it felt like falling apart. Faith is not about having all the answers. Faith is about trusting Allah even when questions remain. It is about standing up again after disappointment. It is about believing that what is written for you will never miss you, no matter how long it takes. Allah sees your effort, even when results feel far away. He sees your patience when you stay silent. He sees your struggle when you keep going. Nothing you do for His sake is ever wasted. Not a single step. Not a single tear. If your heart feels heavy today, pause and breathe. Say Alhamdulillah, even softly. That gratitude is light. That remembrance is strength. That connection is more powerful than you realize. You are not behind in life. You are exactly where Allah wants you to be right now. Your story is still unfolding. Your chapter is still being written. And what Allah has planned will arrive at the perfect time, not early, not late. So hold on. Keep believing. Keep trusting. Keep turning back to Allah, again and again. He has never left you. He never will. If this message touched your heart, like the video, share it with someone who needs hope today, and subscribe for more reminders that strengthen your faith.